When I worked for a Fortune 50 pharmaceutical company out of college, I developed something that hadn't existed before, and that was a way to test and care for people with HIV infection inside Florida's prison system. And that was something that we were able to not only make a huge impact on the long-term health consequences for persons infected with HIV, but we were able to radically transform the public health risks for the Department of Corrections and lower the burden on the Florida taxpayer for caring for these inmates. We were then able to roll out this protocol across the country. So I had the ability to do something from a startup perspective, even in this big, heavy machinery of a large multinational company. So these companies were heavily gender unbalanced, and we know that when teams have both genders on them, they perform better in business. At that time, the EU was using a heavy hand with England that resulted probably in Brexit. But that heavy hand said, you're going to gender balance these boards or we're going to make you do it. And so the UK said, no, we're going to take care of this ourselves. And we created a commercial solution to help businesses get ready or get the women in their pipeline ready for these executive roles or board level roles that would help them execute on this mandate to achieve better business results with gender balanced boards.